Today we'll be talking about linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear equation is the comparison of two sides of an expression. Comparison of two sides of an expression that contains only one unknown, that is only one alphabet. In a linear equation, you will not see more than one different alphabet. It's just one alphabet. If it is Y, it is Y. If it is A, it is A. Okay? You cannot have A, Y, or Z, M. Just one alphabet. Okay? Now, if you look at the expression, we said linear equation is a comparison of what? Two sides. Now, this is one side of the expression. This is another side of the expression. Okay? So, we are comparing this side to this side. We are saying that 2y is equal to 4. That is the equation. We are equating these two sides. Now, 2y means 2 times y, okay, is equal to what? 4. But y is not a number. So how can you determine that? Y is not a number, and you are told that 2 times y is 4. How is that possible? So in mathematics, we have a pattern to express it. Now what this means is this. It means 2 times y is equal to 4. But you don't know what y is. This means what times 2 will give you 4. That is the meaning. What times 2 will give you 4. You don't know why. So, in order to get that number that will multiply by 2 to give you 4, I know that you know that the answer is 2. Okay? That it is only 2 times 2 that will give you 4. Okay? But in mathematics, there is a pattern. We follow. So, what is the pattern? The pattern is, if I have 2y or 2 times y is equal to 4, and I want to know the meaning of y or the value of y, okay, what I will do is this. It means I should make y to stand alone. I should make y subject to the formula, okay? That is the meaning. So, how do I make y to stand alone? Okay, if I have 2y is equal to 4. So, if I want to make y to stand alone, what will I do? I will say, I will divide this side and this other side by the number that is with the alphabet y. Are you getting me? For me to make y to stand alone here, to be alone here, that is subject to the formula. It means that I will divide both sides, this side and this side, by what? The number that is with y. So what number that is with y is 2. So I will divide here and what? Here by what? 2. So that 2 will divide 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. You know, you cannot write 1 and y. Okay, 1y. So you will not write 1. It's y. I told you before. So y will be equal to 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. So it means that y is what? 2. The value of y is what? 2. So therefore, the question that says 2 times y or 2y is equal to 4. So if we replace y with 2, if we replace y with 2, that instead of writing y, we write 2, it's equal to the 4. Are you seeing it? So this is how we solve linear equation, to compare two sides. Again, what if I have 5m If I have 5m is equal to 35. Okay, the same pattern. So what multiply by 5? The what is the m you don't know. What number multiplied by 5 is going to give you 35? That is the meaning whenever you see something like this. So the m is, how do I find m? How do I make m to stand alone? So in order to make m to stand alone, I will do what? I will divide this side and this side by the number that is with the m. Okay, so 5 is the number that is with m. So I will divide 5 here. I will divide by 5 here. Okay, so that 5 will divide 5 to be what? 1. 1 times m is always m, and it's equal to 35 divided by 5. Okay, 35 divided by 5 means 1 times 5 will give you 35 is 7. Okay, so the expression 5 times m is equal to 35 is 5 times what? 5 times m, and here we have m as what? 7. So if I replace m by 7, it's going to be 5 times 7 is what? 35. Again, if you have question like this, okay, if you have minus 8 m is equal to 24. You see, you have minus 8 m, that is the unknown, is equal to 24. What must multiply minus 8, okay, to give you 24? That is what you're checking. What must multiply minus 8 to give you 24? So I told us that whenever you have an unknown, the aim is what? To make m the unknown subject of the formula. So how do we achieve that? If I have the minus 8m is equal to 24, that I'm going to divide here and here by that thing that is with the unknown. Okay, so what is with the unknown there? Is it 8? It's not only 8. It's what? Minus 8. So don't write only 8. What is with the unknown? The number that is with the unknown is what? Minus what? 8. So it is what you are going to use to divide both sides. Minus 8. Are you seeing it? Don't write only 8 because you are wrong, because it is not 8 that is with m. M is with what? Minus m. Okay? M is with what? Minus 8 rather. So you divide both sides by minus 8, that is with what? M. Okay, and in our previous class, I told us that minus divided by minus is plus, invisible plus. Then 8 divided by 8 is what? 1. And 1 times m is what? M. So always m will be standing alone. Alright, so here is 24 over minus 8. 24 divided by minus 8. I told us that the 24, every number has a, if there is no negative sign here, it means the sign that is here is positive. So we have plus 24 there. So plus 24 divided by minus 8. I told us that if there are signs, always divide or multiply the signs first. So if you are dividing a sign, what is here is invisible plus. So invisible plus divided by minus. Minus plus divided by minus is minus, or plus times minus is what? Minus. So I'll write minus. Okay? Plus divided by minus is minus. It's same thing as plus times minus. And 24 divided by 8 is what? 3. Okay? 24 divided by 8 is what? 3. So m is equal to what? Minus 3. Okay, now let's check if it is true that minus 8 times m is equal to 24. Let's check. Now, this is minus 8 times, what is our m? Our m here is minus 3. So let's put the minus 3 and multiply whether we are going to get 24. So minus times minus is plus, invisible plus, and 8 times 3 is what? 24. I see it. Okay. Again, if you have minus 2s is equal to minus 5, it's the same thing. So I will say I will divide, okay, both sides, this side and what? This other side. By what? By what is with the unknown. This is s. What is with the s? The number with s is what? Minus 2. Okay, so minus 2. I will divide minus 2 here. I'll write down minus 2 here. Okay, so here minus divided by minus is plus, invisible plus. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then 1 times s is x. Okay, then it's equal to minus divided by minus is plus, and 5 divided by 2, okay, 5 divided by 2 is 2 whole number, 1 over 2, okay. So